Gas prices are insane right now. I want to keep the gas I have in my tank from being siphoned out, but the problem is my motorcycle didn't come with a locking gas cap. That's about to change. The year my Triumph was built, the average cost of a gallon of gasoline in California was less than $2. That might explain why it didn't come with a locking gas cap as standard, but that was 2001 and it's 2022 now. Look at these prices now. Well, if I have to bend over and take it, maybe this'll help. What? I can't use this? Oh man, this is gonna hurt. Now we could take a long journey down a dark rabbit hole and start a whole argument about what is behind these prices. But when it comes down to it, it doesn't matter, because I, like most of you, am just a pawn in the grand scheme of things. A pawn who just wants to ride his motorcycle, and I can't do that if my liquid gold is stolen. Anyway, to keep the valuable gasoline I've already purchased inside my tank, I ordered a new locking gas cap from BellaCorse. Let's check it out. I don't think this is the original packaging. Looks like it came with a flyer for a motorcycle show, the 39th annual Battle of the Brits motorcycle show and swap meet in Milford, Michigan. Looks like I missed it. That's okay, it would have been a bit far out of my way. Anyway, I'm sure it was a great time. The cap looks pretty nice. It's got nice chrome. 2 keys in case I lose one. Keyhole is covered by a piece that rotates out of the way. That's good, I guess. See how it works on the bike. Installation is straightforward as it's a simple swap. Unscrew the old, screw in the new. When locked, the cap just spins. Once unlocked, it screws out of the tank's filler hole. So nothing to installation. Once installed, it does sit higher than the original cap. I mean, it still looks pretty good. Now, my Moto Guzzi Breva came with a locking gas cap. So to the Italian motorcycle makers, I say, grazie.